Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how we can use the Odoo appointments and how the whole process works. So when you are going to be in Odoo, you are going to find here the appointments, and right here when you're going to click on appointments, you can click new here on the top left. Now before we're going to do it, you want to come here and look on the top right. So first appointments, then you're going to have the schedule where you're going to have the step bookings, the resources bookings, the reporting here, and then you're going to have the configuration. So primarily for the configuration, you're going to have like the questions here. So like a phone number, placeholder, available answers, and this is something that you can also add for yourself, that the things that you would like to have for the appointments, okay? Then also you're going to have reminders, and you're going to have like notifications. So 15 minutes, that's something that you can do, like 2-hour, 1-day email, 3-hour, 6-hour SMS text message. This is something where you're going to have for that. And then you're going to have also like resources. So appointment resources are the places or like equipment people can book: tables, tennis courts, meeting rooms. So for the appointment itself, when I'm going to click here, new appointment, now you can have like a preset. So let's say, let others book a meeting in your calendar, schedule video meeting in virtual room with 1 or more participants, table booking, book a resource, paid consultation, paid seats. So this is something that you can like choose. So let's say I'm going to have like a video call. Now here, this is like the video call. Then you're going to have like duration that you can add, also location, or where you have like the online meeting. Let's say it's going to be right here. Then also the book, users or like resources, and manage capacity. So allow 1 simultaneous appointment per user. You can also change the picture here. And then you're gonna have also like from, to, and they can like every Tuesday, Monday, and you can change the dates here, right? So that's something that you can do. Now, of course, you can have the questions here, like describe what you need. These are the questions that person needs to like fill out. And then you're going to have the communication here. So during the meeting, we will discuss your strategy about business. And then you're going to have also the confirmation page. Thank you for booking. Okay, and then you're gonna have the options here. So allow invitations by a visitor, auto confirm, so up to like 100% total capacity. Then you also you're gonna have like display pictures, upfront payment, so you can like require for people to pay, and you can also create opportunity for each scheduled appointment. Create a new opportunity and assign it to responsible users, and you can schedule like weekly or flexible, and you can allow bookings like let's say within the next 15 days. And then also what you got here is that, let me give you a second, you're gonna have within the next 15 days, at least 1 hour before start time. You can have, let's say we can have like just like 3 hours, not only 1. And you can create slot every 30 minutes. That means starting from the beginning of the time slot, although we'll create a new slot at regular intervals based on time specific here. And cancellation up to 1 hour before the booking. Time zone, Europe, Budapest. So that's something that you can also change. Now, in a moment when you're going to have it, I can click preview here, and you're going to see how it's going to look on the site, right? So you see right here that they can actually like change the dates, choose the dates, they can like 9, describe what you need. And we can have like multiple questions for it. And I can then confirm appointment, and then I'm going to see it in Odoo. So this is how it works. I can click share here and look at that, copy link and close. And now when I go to my site, I can see here like the Wednesday 25th, 3 p.m. Okay. And I can see I can like go like 4 p.m. and I can like confirm the appointment. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And for the questions, let's say that I'm going to add a line, and I can click create a new question, which is going to be like single line text. How did you find about us? And save and close. single line text. Now I can click share, copy link. Let's go to incognito to see how it looks like. Person is going to choose a time and full name, email, describe what you need. How did you find about us? And I can even add a guest here with the email. So that's how it works. I hope this video, guys, helped you and how the whole process works. So that's pretty much it. So thank you and goodbye.